Hello, and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. For access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Morning guys, it's Wednesday, October 24th. Going to do my morning video on oil. So oil, again, daily clear trend here where we're just forming little flags here and continuing to the downside here, and we're stair stepping, forming lower highs and lower lows. So to change the daily trend, again, we need to break. At this point, I would like to see a break here of 69.90 on oil futures. So want to see at least a higher high and a higher low on the daily. The first signs we'll be looking at is going to be on the hourly, looking for a higher high and a higher low, which we are currently getting here. We're getting a higher high and a higher low here. So that's the first step for oil bulls. And I did get into a position, as I mentioned in the chat room yesterday, just because this hourly RSI was so oversold. And then on the 4-hour frame, still bouncing as well, oversold bounce. We've had some oversold bounces in the past here, and you can just see that those are the things that these 4-hour oversold bounces have just formed those daily bull flags. So what I want to see here on the 4-hour, no, more than the 4-hour, I want to see it on the daily, a higher high and a higher low for continuation. But the hourly is giving us a higher high and a higher low as we head into the inventory reports, which is a good sign for the bulls. Let's see what I see as the next resistances here. The 5-minute. So the next resistance on the 5-minute, there isn't much just because of the dump. Let's go to the hourly. Same thing on the hourly, not much resistance just because of the severity of the dump. I'd just look at the tops of these candles as resistance. So not much hourly resistance here because of this big red candle here. Especially if we gain this upper Bollinger Band here, we could have a nice day move up on gold and oil, and a nice bounce today with as we head into inventory reports. Again, on the monthly, it's clear that the longer term trend is still bullish as long as we can keep these higher lows on the monthly. The weekly we did break this support here, but we do have this other big support here, which is that higher low on the monthly down here at 64.43. What kind of clued me into oil bouncing yesterday was when I posted that chart of the, let me see if I can pull that up here. Is the chart I shared yesterday. Where'd that chart go? See if I can find it. That time period. May have to zoom in. Bear with me. Yeah, there it was. So I started seeing this oil volume coming in here, in this bull volume, and so that kind of alerted me that potentially oil is going to bounce. We did pull back here, but on significantly less volume than the bull volume, and you can see that we're continuing to bounce now here on oil. So I am looking for potential continuation with that higher high on the hourly, higher low, higher high pattern on the hourly into the inventory reports on a bull reaction. And with markets recovering, if they're able to sustain that bounce, oil could be a catalyst today for market continuation on continued bounce today. So keep that in mind. Have a good day, and I'll see you shortly.